Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete IC Markets demo account. In this walkthrough, it's important to know up front that IC Markets does not appear to offer a direct option to permanently delete a demo account from the client area. However, you can hide the account so it no longer shows in your main account list, which is the closest available option based on the platform shown here. To begin, go to the IC Markets Secure Client Area Home Dashboard. Once you've signed in and the dashboard is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main home screen before moving on. This helps ensure the menu options we mentioned are visible and easy to find. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Accounts. This section is where both live and demo trading accounts are managed. After selecting accounts, you'll be taken to the page where your available accounts are listed. On the Accounts page, locate the demo account you want to remove from view. For that specific sample account, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open the available actions for that account. At this stage, there's an important clarification. Even though you may be looking to delete the account entirely, the platform does not provide a delete option here. Instead, the available method is to hide the account. Hiding it can be useful if you want to clean up your dashboard, reduce clutter, or remove old demo accounts that you no longer use. With the three-dot menu open, select Hide Account. Once you click this option, the demo account should no longer appear in your visible account list. If you manage multiple demo accounts, this can be a quick way to keep only the active ones in view. If you don't immediately see the change, try refreshing the page or navigating away and back to the Accounts section. In some cases, the interface may take a moment to update. That's all there is to it. While you can't fully delete the IC Markets demo account from this area, you can successfully hide it from your account list using the Account Options menu. This gives you a simpler and more organized dashboard experience. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide helped you manage your IC Markets demo account more easily.